Today's valedictorian Chief Guest Dr. P.S. Ravikumar to this valedictory function. I request Sri G.D. Vishnumurthy to welcome with the podium. I'd like to welcome for well organizing and executing the program. Though one speaker unable to attend because of problem.
To this workshop, I happened to be here today and came at the end of the workshop. I did hear a lot of great things about the workshop. I did hear about a lot of good things that are done in this workshop. As my previous friends have said here, that it's not easy to organize a workshop like this. Okay. And in these days, it's also rare to find people who are of this age group to have a sustained, spirit of doing something out of their original, urge. There is a run-of-the-mill thing that happens every now and then. There are many places where I've seen that institutes are not by buildings, by lab and the infrastructure, it's for people. So I think it's good, it's great, and I have been fortunate enough to be in touch with Professor Holi before he came to this college and after he has come to this college and so on. I see that spirit in him has helped many other faculty as well and the college as well and the
Director, Applied Cognition System, Bangalore. The coordinator of this faculty development program, Dr. Mallikarjun S. Holi, the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation, Chairman, Department of Electronics and Instrumentation. Their invitees, chairmen and head of the departments of various disciplines, their faculty members, and the distinguished faculty members from various colleges as participants, and the volunteers. It gives me an immense pleasure to be a part of this function. At the outset, I congratulate the coordinator of Holi and his team for successfully completing this 4 days workshop. From the feedback from the participants, Professor Jayadeva and Dr. S.B. Mallo, we have observed that this program has been organized systematically, efficiently and effectively. You might have observed this voluntary function has been scheduled at 5:30. It has started exactly at 5:30. That shows the effectiveness and the punctuality maintained for running this 4 days faculty development program.
System, Dr. A. Manjunath, Professor, Civil Engineering Department and Principal in charge and President of this varied function, and all the participants and my dear colleagues. Indeed, it will be a time to say thanks to the many things. First of all, I place my gratitude and thanks to Dr. P.S. Ramkumar, who is kind enough to come here and to be the chief guest of today's valedictory function. On behalf of VTU, VGST, on behalf of Institute, Department, on behalf of all of you, I thank you, sir.